Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up life insurance paperwork with New York Life, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your life insurance paperwork with New York Life, begin by gathering all relevant documents. This includes your policy contract, any amendments, and payment receipts. Ensure you have contact information for your New York Life agent handy. Next, create a secure digital folder on your device or cloud storage. Label this folder clearly for easy access later. Scan physical documents to create digital copies. Use a high-quality scanner to ensure legibility. Save documents in PDF format for consistency. Organize your digital files by categories, such as policy details and payment records. After organizing, consider adding a backup to an external hard drive or USB. Next, write down key details from your policy in a separate document. Include your policy number, start date, and premium amounts. This information will be helpful for reference and won't require scanning. If you have beneficiaries, ensure they're informed about the policy details. Discuss with them how they can access these documents if necessary. You may also want to set reminders for when premium payments are due. Consider scheduling an annual review of your paperwork to ensure everything is current. Should any changes occur, update your digital copies promptly. Finally, keep your original documents in a safe location at home. A locked drawer or fireproof box is ideal for preserving important files. By following these steps, you will have a comprehensive backup of your life insurance paperwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.